Now I discuss ninth problem Nana is also important model. This is the tower Nana. Look here. Here I take two bodies. One body mass is smaller. Its moving a velocity is u. This u initial velocity is given 20 meter per second. Okay. Here. Look here. This is the tower Nana. Tower height is given. Height is given 20 meters. Top of the tower, one body thrown horizontally. Identical body means same mass. Identical body thrown upward with the same speed 20. Okay. Actually, this is x-axis. This is y-axis. XY plane is nothing but the projectile. Projectile. In the projectile, what is the maximum formula? HCM, because this is the center of mass. HCM formula is u square sin square theta by 2g, because this is the two-dimensional plane. Because one body moves x-axis, other body moves y-axis. Both masses are equal. Also, center of mass moves center in this direction. This is called projectile. Okay. This height can be calculated first. This height is determined HCM. Generally, in the projectile, HCM formula is u square sin square theta by 2g. This is UCM. First, to determine UCM. In the center of mass, UCM formula is m1 u1. Two bodies are there. m2 u2 by m1 plus m2. Keyword in the problem, identical masses. So that's why m1 write as m, u1 write as 20. Here direction also very most important 20 I cap, because this is the x direction. Okay, u1 bar, u2 bar, UCM bar. Plus here look here m2 write as m identical mass, u2 it is upward 20j by m plus m 2m. M cancel. Neatly write as 10 I cap, 10 j cap. According to this concept, to determine the slope, tan theta means y-axis by x-axis. Y component 10, x component 1, 10 by 10 1. Theta value also to determine 45. Okay. Both side I apply modulus under root I coefficient square 100, j coefficient square 10 square 100 plus 100 root 200 u. This is u this is theta. Both are calculated by using the concept. Here first to determine HCM. HCM is nothing but the u square cm. Here UCM is determined. What is the u square cm? 200, because root cancel. Theta 45, sin 45 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 whole square 1 by 2, 2 into g value 10, 20 how many times? 10 times. 10 by 2, 5 meter. This is the HCM. What is the HCM value? 5 meters. HCM value is 5 meters. This is finally we get okay. Here let me calculate. First the question is maximum height of the center of mass from ground నుంచి అంటే ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఇక్కడికి టవర్ హైట్ ఎంత 20. ఇది 20 వచ్చింది. HCM ఎంత వచ్చింది? 5. మొత్తం హైట్ ఎంత 20 plus 5 ఎంత? 25. 20 plus 5 25. In this method directly I solve in this method, same method you give. This is the final formula h plus 1 by 2g u square cm into sin square theta. This is the final formula. Okay, HCM రాశారంటే simply call it total height అంటే from the ground to tower top plus పైన HCM, h plus HCM. This can be calculated in this manner. Okay, next problem number 10. Here P bar is given 2 I cap minus 3 j cap plus k cap. Q bar is given minus 2 I cap plus 4 j cap minus k cap. Here find area of the parallelogram. Here What is the meaning of area of the parallelogram? Parallelogram ante I give direct formula nana. Modulus of p bar cross q bar. Sometimes to determine area of the triangle అంటాడు అప్పుడు ఇలా తీసుకోవాలన్న half into modulus of p bar cross q bar. What is the formula for area of the parallelogram? Modulus of p bar cross q bar. What is the area of the triangle formula? Half into modulus of p bar cross q bar. Here how many vectors are given nana? 2 vectors are given. So this is the formula for area of the parallelogram. Here p bar cross q bar ila rayalana by using that nana. Okay, first to write I j k nana. Okay, here first to take p. In the p I coefficient is 2 nana. In the p j coefficient is -3. In the p k coefficient is 1. Similarly in the q p coefficient I coefficient is -2. J coefficient is 4, K coefficient is -1. Here neatly write as first starts with I nana. I. In the I starts, that column is closed. Here A, B, C, D. Matrices method. AD minus BC. AD, AD, AD. -3 into -1 plus 3 minus petty. AD minus BC. 4 into 1 4. Minus j cap into this will be closed nana. 2 into -1 -2 minus of -2 plus 2 plus tell me nana k cap into it will be closed nana. 2 into 4 nana 8. Here minus 3 into -2 plus 6 nana AD minus BC. Here finally write I cap -2 plus 2 0 nana plus I cap plus 2 k cap. Both side I have to apply modulus under root I coefficient 1 square, k coefficient j coefficient లేదు nana 0 plus k coefficient 2 nana 2 square ఎంత అంటే 4. 1 plus 4 ఎంత root 5. This is the finally we get the answer nana root 5. This is the formula for area of the parallelogram. 11th problem. Here the question is center of mass of the non-uniform rod. Non-uniform rod means mass distribution sometimes more, sometimes less. That means mass is concentrated not uniformly. Okay. This non-uniform rod length is given L nana. Lambda is given kx square. Okay, by L. This is the question name. Find the distance from one end. Find the center of mass of the distance from one end nana. Here keyword in the problem. Here mass distribution is not uniform. Here lambda is called mass by length, simply called as linear density. According to this topic, what is the dm value? Dm value, once again, lambda is called linear density. Linear density means mass by length. Simply write as dm by dx. Kx square by L into dx. This is the mass now. Nana here x changes, m also changes. In this situation, here mass is not a constant. In this situation, to write XCM formula, nana, what is the XCM formula? Integration of x dm by integration of dm. Okay, what is the formula once again, nana? Here this formula is applicable. Mass is vary. What is the formula for mass is vary? XCM equal to integration of x dm by integration of dm. Here nana, look here, xcm equal to integration of x is write x, but dm write as k x square by L into dx whole by integration of dm write as k x square by L into dx. Okay, here neatly write as here xcm equal to xcm equal to k by L constant nana, commonly write integration of x into x square x power 3 dx whole by here also k by L common integration x square dx k by L cancel total rod of length L nana, that means 0 to L to write limits. We know that integration method, all BPC students, integration of x power n dx formula is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, here what is the n plus nana? Here 3. Here write 3 plus 1 4, denominator also 4, x power 4 by 4 nana. Here what is the lower limit? 0. What is the upper limit? 4 L in the x square, n value 2 nana, 2 plus 1 3. So that's why x power 3 by 3 nana, 0 to L. Here upper limit will be substitute, lower limit 0, so cannot be substituted. Upper limit write L power 4 by 4, x also here write L cube by 3. Here L cancel. Finally 3 by 4 L. This is the final answer nana. Okay, next nana. Next question is 12th question. One vector is given 2i cap, 3j cap, minus 4k cap. Another vector is given 3i cap, minus aj cap, plus bk cap. Both are keyword in the problem. Both the vectors are parallel. Very easiest problem. Okay, both the vectors are parallel. This is the keyword in the problem. Either find small a comma small b. Okay, two vectors are parallel means both the coefficient I compare, j compare, k compare. Here I compare 2 by 3 equal to j compare 3 by minus a equal to minus 4 by b. Okay, here a value determine, b value determine. First two balance nana, 2 by 3 equal to 3 by minus a, simply called as minus 2a equal to 9, a equal to minus 9 by 2. And the first one and the third one balance nana, 2 by 3 equal to minus 4 by b. 2 how many times? 2 times. B value is minus 6. Okay, here a value determine, b value also determine. And again next problem nana, very important. This is the JEE main problem and NEET problem. Very easy. F bar is given minus fk cap. Okay, acts on the origin of the coordinate of the system. Find the torque about 1 comma minus 1. Here 1 comma minus 1 is the distance nana. We know that the position vector write as 1 into I cap, 1 comma minus 1 given, minus j cap. This is the position vector nana. This is the f bar nana. In the question also, this is the diagram x, z, y. Sorry, x, y, z. This is the origin. This is the diagram. Diagram వల్ల భయపడిపోతారు. ఏమిలా ఇక్కడ f ఇచ్చాడు నన్ను, ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు, ఇంకా r ఇచ్చాడు. 1 comma minus 1 position means position vector I write as I cap minus j cap. Here, what is the basic formula for torque nana? Torque bar equal to r bar cross f bar. Both side I write modulus. Here I, next nana j, next nana k. అయిపోయింది. ఫస్ట్ r కదా, I పక్కన ఎంత ఉంది 1, j పక్కన minus 1, k లేదు అంటే 0. తర్వాత f తీసుకోండి. f ఇద్దరికి మైనస్ fk అంటే I0, j0, k ఇద్దరికి మైనస్ f. ఇందాట్లానే చేయాలి. I అంటే I క్లోజ్ చేయాలి. I క్లోజ్ చేస్తే ఇదే క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై, మైనస్ 1 ఇంటూ మైనస్ f ఎంత అవుతుంది f మైనస్ 0. అలానే మైనస్ j ఇంటూ మైనస్ j నా నెక్స్ట్ మైనస్ j 1 ఇంటూ మైనస్ f 1 ఇంటూ మైనస్ f. ఓకే, ప్లస్ k నా k క్లోజ్ చేస్తే k కాలం క్లోజ్ చేస్తే 0 0 0 మైనస్ 0 0 0 అయిపోయిందన్న. ఇక నీట్లీ రైట్ యాజ్ f I క్యాప్ మైనస్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ ప్లస్ నాన్న f j క్యాప్, f కామన్ I క్యాప్ plus j cap. Very easy. Diagram is భయపడుతున్నానా? Tau అంటే r bar cross f bar, r bar cross f bar. Today last problem. Now Nana, 7 homogeneous bricks are given. The diagram also given in the question Nana. This is the brick Nana. Homogeneous means uniform Nana. That means all bricks have same mass and same length Nana. Okay, same mass and same length Nana. Okay, here each rod L by 10. How many rods are count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here the question is once again, each brick displaced with respect to lower brick L by 10. And ఈ బ్రిక్కి మధ్య outer ఎంత distance ఉంది? L by 10. Okay, here ఈ బ్రిక్ L by 10. Okay, here also L by 10. Okay, but ఇది inside ఎంత వచ్చింది? L by 10. This is the question here. This can be considered as a O according to O. To determine XCM, position of center of mass of the system. System consists of 7 bricks. All bricks masses is, each brick mass is M, each brick length is L. That's why M1 first brick mass is M, second brick mass is M, third brick mass is M, fourth brick mass is M, fifth brick mass is M. Here, 6th brick mass is M, 7th brick mass is M. Okay, all bricks have same mass. Mari coordinates చూద్దాం. x1 is nothing but the, look here now, x1 where to where measure? Origin to first body center. Origin ఇది, first body center అంటే ఇది. Total length ఎంత? L, center అంటే L/2. కథం. x2 also origin to second body center. ఇది పైది ఎంత డిస్ప్లేస్ అయింది? L/10. కాబట్టి L/2 ప్లస్ L/10. x3 చెప్పాలి. x3 ఇంకొక L/2 కదా, L/10 ప్లస్ L/10 ఏమవుతుంది? 2L/10. అలానే x4 ఫస్ట్, సెకండ్, థర్డ్, ఫోర్త్ ఇది కూడా అవుట్ సైడ్ ఎంత డిస్ప్లేస్ అయింది? L/10 దీనికన్నా. కాబట్టి L/2 3L/10. ఎక్కడి నుంచి మేర్ చేయాలి డిస్టెన్స్? x4 అంటే ఆరిజిన్ టు ఫోర్త్ బాడీ సెంటరు. x5 లుక్ హియర్ ద డయాగ్రామ్. x5 1 2 3 4 ఫిఫ్త్ వన్ ఇందులో వచ్చింది అంటే 3L/10 లో ఎంత తీసేయాలి? L/10 డిస్ప్లేస్ తీసేయాలి. అప్పుడు x5 రైట్ యాజ్ L/2 ప్లస్ 2L/10. x6 ఇంకొకటి L/10 బ్యాక్ సైడ్ వచ్చింది, L/2 ప్లస్ L/10. x7 ఆల్సో L/2 because first brick and seventh brick both are same. Look here the diagram. x1 L/2, x7 also L/2. x7 means origin to seventh body center. Okay, what is the XCM formula? XCM formula is M1 x1 plus M2 x2 plus M3 x3 plus M4 x4 plus M5 x5 plus M6 x6 M7 x7 by what is the total mass? M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4 plus M5 plus M6 plus M7. Okay, in this method to determine the XCM, here M1 substitute, x1 substitute, M2 substitute, x2 substitute, M3 x3 all will be substituted in the formula. Finally we get 22L/35. I give assignment also now. in this assignment to solve neatly. So we see the assignment also, Nana. Today assignment, okay, completed, Nana. Bye.